Hey guys, welcome back to Cooper's channel. Today we have a special guest. This like weird creature who is a different color, and I'm gonna explore it and probably try to shake its hand. Oh my god!
I don't like influencers. Richard bit mine.
Look, y'all need to stop arguing. I will turn this thing right around.
Hey, Hitman!
I will turn my body around, and we will not go get snacks from the garbage.
Go faster!
Get your ass back in the tub. Get back in the tub, brother. Get in the tub.
Somewhere on there. I like your writing though. Oh, there it is. Oh.
What are you thinking about? Is that a good ball? Can you smile?
Babe, you gotta eat your vegetables. That does not count.
Dude, I'm really feeling it. Give me a fist bump. Just like, give me a fist bump so I know that like all is good. Cause yeah, this is coming on strong and it's not. Thank you. Oh, I'm good.
Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Ah, did you just live? Well done.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Ma si può? Si può stare seduti sul tavolo?
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Kitty playing bongo, kitty playing bongo, kitty playing bongo, kitty playing bongo, hey, kitty playing bongo, kitty playing bongo, kitty playing bongo, hey, hey, hey.
Wilbur, bring the shopping. Come on. Good boy. Thank you.
Ada? What? Where am I going with what? This? I brought this from home.
He's famous. Does gallery shows, sells tons at auction. Even has a documentary written about him. Was actually nominated for an Oscar.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He's a celebrity. The best thing about his work is that...
Sonst euch. Devils, du kannst doch nicht.
Nana-chan. Hello.
Yeah, believe it or not, I was in Flipper with Elijah Wood. He was in Lord of the Rings. You ever see Lord of the Rings, kid? Now you're just gonna keep throwing that back? Lord of the Rings is probably before your time. You're Lord of the Bag Thrower. You should ask your parents about Lord of the Rings, though. Do you know that in Lord of the Rings, when Aragorn kicks that helmet, he actually breaks his toe? Oh, that's pretty neat, too. Very cool.
What is you doing? What is you doing? Come on. Come on.
Hello.
Okay, here's my little lizard. He's here for his daily feeding. We're gonna jump for it this time. You get that?
Sit. Good. High five. Yeah. Wave. Wave. Good. Up. Good.